Discover the mystical heights of Meteora. Embark on a journey to Meteora, Greece, where ancient monasteries defy gravity and human spirit meets the heavens. Feel the pull of the ethereal landscape as you explore these awe-inspiring wonders perched atop towering rock formations. Carved by nature over millions of years, Meteora's majestic pillars stand as a testament to geological grandeur. These natural skyscrapers, shaped by wind and water, create an otherworldly panorama that captures the heart of every traveler. Here, the beauty of the earth tells a story of time and transformation. In the 14th century, seeking solace and safety, monks scaled these cliffs to establish sanctuaries of faith. 6 of these monasteries remain today, still echoing with prayers and cloaked in silence. Each stone laid with determination tells a tale of devotion, resilience, and the quest for spiritual elevation. As you walk the ancient paths once trodden by monks, imagine daily life hundreds of years ago. Feel the connection to a simpler time where faith was the only armor against worldly chaos. Each step leads you deeper into Greece's rich heritage, offering glimpses into the lives these ascetics led. Beyond exploring the religious sites, Meteora offers hiking trails that wind through lush landscapes. Capture the essence of the region through sunrises and sunsets that paint the skies with surreal hues. Encourage your inner explorer with rock climbing or immerse yourself in local culture in nearby villages. Standing amid these soaring mountains, one cannot help but reflect on the power of determination, serenity, and human spirit. Meteora is a haven for those seeking inspiration and introspection. Let these heavenly heights awaken your sense of wonder and fuel your desire for adventure. Are you ready to feel the thrill of exploration? Let Meteora inspire your next journey. Plan your adventure to these unparalleled vistas and delve into the stories that blend history, nature, and spirituality. Embrace the call of the mountains and embark on your own pilgrimage to the sky. If you like the video, leave a comment with your favorite places in Greece. Subscribe to my channel to discover even more exciting travel videos and insider tips.